today's video, Sony versus Vivo.
Sony Xperia 1-6 versus Vivo x100 Ultra. Very difficult names, but wide-angle lens, and this is how it looks like. From that is a wide-angle lens. Very similar, basically the same. But are we going to have autofocus in wide-angle lens? That is the question. Ooh, let's go back. Look at the sky. How overexposed is on the Sony. Vivo is much better with exposing the sky. Anyway, macro. Okay, we can go way closer with Vivo. Way closer. For example, if I want to show you a mushroom, maybe a mushroom with Sony. How far can I go? I'm gonna select that. And with Vivo, I can go way closer, you see? Way closer. Anyway, video stabilization. Let's walk around a little bit. Walking around. And vlogging style. If you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. A little bit of colors behind me, a bit of red. Vlogging style, they're both fantastic. Vivo has the biggest lens I've seen ever in any smartphone. All right, let me turn back. And a little bit of bokeh for you. There you go. Transition. Okay, way better in Vivo. And now the main lens. The main lens. So what can we see in the main? Okay, main lens. Bokeh effect, czyli blur on the background. Oh, much better in Vivo. Vivo is killing it. And there we go. Vivo is killing it. All right. So that's the autofocus and bokeh. It's not that easy to show. Anyway, a bit slower on Vivo. What about telephoto? And we do have a huge lens on the Vivo. 3.7, 3.5 on Sony. See the difference? Let's hit that building over there. 10x and 7 on Sony. To tap it twice on Sony to hit the 10x. We do have 10x in both of them. That's a huge difference. It's a really huge difference. Damn. And with Vivo you can go 20x. And with Sony 21x. Now, the sharpness of the image on the Vivo is incredible. I told you that lens is huge. Humongous. If we switch to the closer subject, I'm gonna use noise cancellation because it's too windy to see the same size. So it's like 13, okay, 15 for the Vivo. Vivo is killing it, my dear amigo. It is killing it. Okay, front-facing camera. And in the front-facing camera, they both 4K 60. Vivo has autofocus and very quick autofocus with a macro. Look how close I can get. That is crazy. Sony? No. Only Vivo. No. Why do you need autofocus in front-facing camera? For example, if I want to show you a flower. Alright. How crisp it is in Vivo and in Sony. Exactly. Full length of my arm. They're both similar. Wide. Not too many differences. Okay. Are they overexposing the sky? Vivo, it is overexposing. It wants to brighten up my face. Definitely a lower resolution or sharper image, very sharp image in Vivo. I'm commenting what I see on the smartphones. On YouTube this could be a different story. But the sky is a little bit overexposed in Vivo, in Sony is okay. Now, see? And bam. And it's brightened up my face. Anyway, this is a video. What about photo?
Vivo obliterated Sony completely in a video and, okay, maybe not completely in a photo. You see, the difference are in the video. In a photo, most of the smartphones are in the photo, they're basically the same. There are some minor differences, especially at night, but I wonder, who's making photos at night? I don't remember anyone, and I live in the city, and I'm walking around at night all the time. I didn't see anyone making pictures at night. No one. Ever. In daylight, of course, many people, all the time. But night, no. No one. So why do you care? Are you making pictures at night? Let me know in the comment below. They came out great, but yeah, Vivo in the telephoto department. Damn. And in that concert, you see the difference in that concert and that stage at the very end of the video was significant. That was a stage mode for the Vivo. Very impressive. Link in the description for you. See you next video. Vivo is winning.